I can feel the rain. I should close the window if I'm gonna be doing that. Sunburn, baby. Look at my tripod. Oh. Literally. A lifestyle. What do I want to talk about? Oh. I want to talk about the lady that butched my hair. Oh, 3 times in a row. 3 times in a row. I got butched. I don't remember the exact details except the last one. But I just know No, the last girl before the last girl. She literally... I wanted to punch her. I was like, girl, I done said... As she was doing it, I was like, I don't want this. Like, I am not liking this. And she was like, oh, don't worry. It's just a different way of doing it. And I was like, yeah, I understand that. I don't want it this way. I was so mad at her. I was so freaking mad at her. She made it literally uneven. Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, I straightened my hair after because I had a wedding 2 weeks after that haircut. Or like a week after, like very recent after. And when I straightened it, it was literally like this. It was like this all around my head. And I was like, girl, what did you do? I could tell you guys what she did. She took my hair like this. She would just take it. And she would just take the scissors. Like, okay, it's hard to explain. Like, this seems right. Like, downwards like this. But no, I think she was going like this. Like, up, like teasing it with the scissors. And I was like, I came here for a haircut, not split ends. I was so freaking pissed. I was so mad. And then anyways, so I got it, that was back in like November maybe. I got it just now. I got it done like 2 weeks ago. And for some reason, wait, I might have actually said this. The girl cut all my hair. She cut all my hair. And she made me like move my head like this, like this. If she was doing this side of my head, I would have to hold my head like this. And I was like, this just doesn't seem right. This just, I need a pair of scissors because I can't trust you guys out here. And so after she's done like having me move my head around and stuff like that, she also like low-key put bangs in. And I was like, girl, I just wanted a straight trim. Like, I don't know why this has to be so difficult. Look. Wait. Oh no, it might be even. I don't know. She did the triangle thing like this. And she had me look down. And she like cut. Guys, I don't even know. And then so she dried my hair. She dried it. And then she cut the whole thing again. And I was like, what's the point of this? Like, literally, there was no point in doing any of that then. The whole point of cutting it while wet is so that it's nice and sharp and gets blunt. Like a blunt cut so that it can grow again. I was so mad. I'm never going again. My friend said this yesterday, actually, that she's never going to the hairdresser again. I'm never going either, girl. I'm never going again. No, I'm just kidding. I'll go again and again and again. I don't know. I guess experience makes you know. Because I thought I was very clear. I really did. But I guess, you've got to be a little bit more clear. Telling people that's not what you wanted as they're cutting your hair, apparently it doesn't work. So, just saying, be firm, be strong, guys. Don't give up. I guess it's a good way to practice, like, attachments and stuff, and, like, idealism and ideas, because everybody's attached to their hair. I guess that's why I did cut it, actually, in the first place. I had super long hair, like, down to my hips, almost. And I'm 5'6", 5'7". And so that's pretty long. And so, anyways, I cut it all off, hence why I have short hair now. But I cut it way shorter than this, like, up here. And for attachment reasons. So I guess it's a good way to practice or keep practicing attachment. If I'm attached to my hair, I would care what the girl did, right? I don't know. It doesn't really matter at all. Not even remotely. I actually want to shave my hair. That's gonna happen one day, guys. Just saying. When I have to get surgery for this, and I'm gonna be out of work for like 4 months, I'm gonna do pink. Well, that's if I don't have a job. So here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking that I'm gonna work through the summer and then get surgery at the end and recover back in Pennsylvania at my mother's house. And when I do that, I'm gonna dye my hair pink. And then when I'm done with the pink, actually it might last me like a year. I've wanted ever since I've wanted this for so long. I'm not even kidding. Like, I've wanted pink hair since I was like 10. And my mom's agreement with me was that I could do like peekaboo purple. Actually, I think I chose the color. I don't think the color mattered, but like, she obviously didn't want me doing my whole hair. So I started with peekaboo. Oh my god! Actually, I've had a whole head of pink hair. I should insert a picture. I'd have to go on Snapchat to find it. Actually, if you really, 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 really want to see, I could find it actually really quick. Because at one point, all my Snapchat memories deleted because I was stupid. And I deleted them. Don't ask how, I just did. And by accident, I did. And then, so when it restarted, that's the era that I had pink hair in. I don't think the Wi-Fi is working. But if the Wi-Fi wants to work, then I can show you guys, like, literally rapid fire. I have it on 2G. Pocket. Oh, I should not give the password away. What are the numbers? 430. That's not the whole password. You guys think you're slick. Okay. That was so loud. Anyways, I want pink hair so bad, but like, I want like the whole, like, down to the roots and everything. When I had it back in, let's see, I think 2017, it was just, I had like this much of my brown root. So for me, it was never really my whole head, although I've tried and I've tried again. Here we go. That's me. That's me when I was 14. That's me at 14. Girls really do mature way faster than boys. Let me see if I have, yeah. Here. See it? Oh, shout out Caitlin. It was Kate and Kate duo. Love you, girl. Sorry, didn't mean to expose you like that. I don't think you care. I could have just easily showed them this picture. Yeah. Yeah, I was 14. That's an iPhone 6. No. iPhone 6, baby. Ugh, can you... The glare, stop. Anyways, I did have pink hair. I actually had really cool pink hair at the time. That was 8th grade, I think. 8th grade? Yes, 8th grade. It was actually awesome. Ooh. Anyways, but that's not the pink that I want. I want like a bubblegum pink. I wanna be Kylie Jenner. Just kidding. She probably... I would never want to be her. I just get like gross feeling thinking about them. Like a knot in my stomach. They're so dark. Ugh. Anyways. Oh yeah, so at the end of summer... Oh yeah, this is all about attachments anyways. Because if you're attached to your hair, then it stops you. Fear is a crazy thing. Delusions, illusions are a crazy thing, actually. Everything here is not what you think it is. It's just a means to learn what you need to. Okay, not to be freaking... I don't know what, but... Well. Maybe I'll read. I think I'm one of those people, it's so weird. I think I'm one of those people that like need somebody else just to bounce off of. But I'm like a highly avoidant and love isolation. It's so weird. It's just like having somebody else here, just it keeps me on track. It keeps me like in the world. But when I don't have anybody there, I just like get in my head like crazy. Like they're two different worlds. They're completely different. Completely different. Well, goodbye. I'm hanging up.